Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail haul for you all, and I love creating these videos for you guys. So here I'm starting off with this set of nail art brushes that I did purchase through Shein for an affordable price of $3. So here I'm just briefly showing you all the different brushes that it includes, and I absolutely loved the floral design that this set of nail brushes had going on. I thought it was absolutely adorable. So next we're moving on to some water decals that I did purchase through Amazon, and these are a set of 48, and I absolutely love the theme. It was like butterflies with flowers, super nice, especially now for spring. I thought it was super cute. So here I'm just briefly going to be showing you all the water decals, and along with everything that will be linked down in the description box for you all if you're interested in purchasing anything that you saw in today's nail haul. So next I'm moving on to some beautiful embellishments. I did purchase these through Shein and they're so beautiful. I usually have seen different types of embellishments like this, but these were just so pretty, and I didn't have anything like this. And I also purchased this because of the unique embellishments that it included, especially the tree of life that I will be showing you guys here, along with some other ones that it included. It was absolutely stunning, and I definitely recommend you guys check out Shein. I always rave about them because they have a wide variety of nail art. They're constantly updating with new nail art stuff, and it's just really affordable, and I absolutely love Shein. I've never had an issue with them. They always deliver. They have never not delivered any of my packages. They come fairly quickly, anywhere between 2.5 weeks to 2 weeks actually, or you can get them faster if you pay the faster shipping. But yeah, they're really good, and the prices are definitely unbeatable. So next we're moving on to some rhinestones that I purchased through Amazon, and these are in the copper tone. I thought they're really nice. So it includes a bunch of goodies for $9.89, and it includes your standard tweezers along with a wax pencil, a different variety of rhinestone sizes, and then the bigger size rhinestones. I definitely want to get better at rhinestone placement because I am not the best, and I definitely need to practice more on that off camera because I definitely want to up my rhinestone game. So yeah, I really want to get good at this of the rhinestone placement, so I will be practicing and hopefully creating really nice future nail sets. So next we're moving on to Sets Nail Co, and I always speak on them because I absolutely love this company. I purchase a lot of my glitters through them, and they're only $2 each, and right now she has something going on where you purchase 3 glitters and you get 1 free, or sometimes she even has them on sale for $1. But I absolutely love them, and it brings a great quantity. So here I'm just going to be showing you briefly all the glitters that I purchased, and this actually purchased around Valentine's Day. That's why you will see some Valentine's Day themed ones. It has been a while. When it comes to my nail hauls, I don't really know what I'm going to show because I purchased a lot of my things many months ago, and now I'm just starting to organize my nail hauls, what I'm going to show in every video. So I don't really know what I'm going to show in every video because it's not like I purchased it right then and there. I've had this for a couple months now, and I'm now starting to show my products as I go, just because I do get a lot of PR as well, and I have to put out those videos, and it just balancing everything out between nail hauls and creating nail art tutorials sometimes can be a bit of a challenge because I do love creating both, and I know there's some people that really enjoy the nail art hauls and there's other people that really enjoy the nail art tutorials, so I always try to balance it out. So yeah, here I hope you guys enjoyed these glitters because I really love them. So next I'm moving on to these foils that I purchased through Shein, and all their foils cost about $2.50, and I really loved this set that I chose here in particular because it was just so pretty. I absolutely loved every single one of them in here. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this nail haul so far. So next I'm moving on to some full coverage nails. I did purchase these through Aliexpress, and I do tend to buy a lot of them. I like to stock up. So these are the long Coffin nails, and they're absolutely stunning. I will have everything linked down below for you all if you're interested. Next I'm moving on to some inks, and these are the inks for nails, and I'm just so excited because I did go back and purchase some more. I did show some of these in a previous nail haul, but I went back and purchased a lot more. So here I'm going to be showing you 3 of them in today's nail haul, and I'll also be showing you how I use them. No, not how I use them, but I will be showing you what they look like, and they're absolutely beautiful. So these are the colors that I chose, and I am just so excited because these inks are really nice, and they're great quality, and they're only $2.12 each, and they're also free shipping. So lastly, for this nail haul, I will be showing you guys these dip powders that I purchased through an Etsy shop, and they're absolutely beautiful. I always love supporting small businesses when I get the opportunity to, or I find something that I really like. So here I'm just going to be showing you the 3 that I purchased from Alexi Nail. I will have everything linked down below in the description for you all if you're interested in checking them out. And by the way, for these sample sizes, it was $5. Then she has 3.5 teaspoons, I believe, for $10, and then they also have the 1 ounce for $20. So they aren't the most affordable, but they are definitely worth it, and I completely understand why. They're just so amazing. I will definitely be going back and purchasing some more. But yeah, these are so beautiful, and I will be showing you swatches like I mentioned. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's nail haul. This is it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.